How to redeem Uber Eats gift card. So basically, if you want to redeem Uber Eats gift card, it's actually quite very simple to do so. For this, all you have to do is go ahead and then launch the Uber Eats app, and there are two ways to redeem it. First of all, we can come to the account icon from the bottom right, go to the wallet from the very top, go to the option called add payment method, and from here we will select gift card as a payment method and simply enter the gift card code and tap on save. Depending upon the value of the gift card, it will be successfully added to your Uber balance, which you can use on your next order. Or the other way to do this is you can also use your gift card during the checkout process. So let's say you've added some product to your cart, then from your cart you go to view cart, and then you go to the checkout page right here. On the checkout page, on the payment option, you'll find add payment method. Tap on the add payment method option, and here just tap on the gift card button. Then after you've done that, all you have to do is simply make sure you enter your gift card code, tap on save, and again, depending upon the value of the gift card, it will be successfully used to compensate with your order. And this way you should be able to redeem Uber Eats gift card. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.